Hello everyone, now I am going to show you how to interface digital output in RDL Industrial Datalogger using commands via MQTT over a 4G connection. First, let us see connection diagram. Here, I am connecting the tower lamp to the data logger. The lamp's gray wire is for the 24 volts power supply, which is connected to the power supply positive terminal of the data logger. A common wire is connected to both the ground of the digital output and the power supply ground of the data logger, ensuring that both receive a 24 volts power supply. Now click on RDL Industrial Datalogger Configuration Manager software. Here, select COM port and click on Open. Use the default password RDL123 during login. Now, we have to give commands via MQTT over a 4G connection. Click on Wi-Fi/GPRS/4G/LTE in the sidebar menu. Click on 4G/LTE. And click on Save. Here, select MQTT, then click on the MQTT section. And choose the profile type as MQTT broker, and give the credentials. Here I am giving our MQTT credential. And click on Save. Next, the APN needs to be configured. Click on APN, then click the Read button. If you are using a single SIM, select Single SIM and enter the APN. If you are using Dual SIM, select Dual SIM and enter the APNs for both SIM cards. Here, I am selecting Single SIM and setting the APN for an Airtel SIM, then clicking Save. Now, 4G is enabled. Open the MQTT broker and click on Connect. Next, click on New Subscription and enter the subscriber topic provided in the software configuration section. Here, we use Test as the topic. Click on Confirm. Next, click on Test, enter the subscriber topic as Test, and provide the command to control the digital output. To turn it on, use the command DO1 = 1. Digital output following negative logic. When you give 0 output will be activated. When you give 1 output will be deactivated. To turn it off, use the command DO1 = 0.
Thanks for watching video. For more details check the description.